Welcome to Cleo Integration Cloud Cockpit and Main Dashboard. Today, we'll be exploring Cleo's Retailer Relationship Manager solution, also known as RRM for short. Retailer Relationship Manager is a powerful extension of the Cleo Integration Cloud Cockpit that gives manufacturers and distributors visibility not just into their integrations, but also into the actual business commitments they've made with their retailer trading partners. So while Cleo Integration Cloud handles the data transformations and flows for everything from inbound orders to invoices, Retailer Relationship Manager takes it a step further by tracking whether manufacturers and distributors are meeting key service level agreements, SLAs, with their retailer trading partners for timeliness, accuracy, and fulfillment. Retailer Relationship Manager can be configured to provide proactive alerts for at-risk commitments, so users can take action before an issue occurs. Click on the Messages tab in the Cleo Integration Cloud cockpit. This screen shows your supply chain transactions as they flow, whether successes, failures, and now SLA adherence. With Retailer Relationship Manager, each of these transactions can be measured against an SLA you define, such as how quickly you need to acknowledge an order, send a ship notice, or invoice a retailer after shipping. Cleo users often set up these SLAs to comply with their trading partners' requirements. To find the SLA adherence for each transaction, we have these shields on the left-hand side. You can build your reports based on your SLA performance, as well as filter SLAs by at risk, missed, and met, so you can instantly find any partners or processes at risk. This is an at-a-glance way to see where you're thriving and where you may need to take action. You configure SLAs directly within each partner's profile. To do so, click on the Network tab, then Partners. Let's look at Amazon as an example. Inside the partner's profile, there's an ERM tab. Click on it. By clicking the plus sign on the right-hand side, you can set up SLA parameters for things like on-time order acknowledgements, on-time shipments, and on-time invoicing. For example, if we wanted to track on-time shipments for an order we're shipping, we can turn this on and click Done. This adds an on-time shipment action that now starts tracking this metric, stating that shipments need to be sent within 1 day of receiving the order to be met, and flag it as at risk if not shipped within 6 hours before the ship by deadline. Click the pencil icon and you can customize the SLA parameters. Retailer Relationship Manager will automatically fill in SLA parameters based on your trading partner's requirements if stated in their document. Otherwise, you can add it in your own parameters. Clicking Reset Expected Time Interval for updates will reset the SLA tracking if, for example, a trading partner sends an updated order or order change. Clicking Mark at Risk is a proactive method of notifying you that an SLA is in jeopardy of violation, allowing you to step in and fix the issue before it's too late. Notifications are both in-platform and via email. You can do the same process for order acknowledgements and invoicing. You can also configure SLAs for custom measurements like response time and expected volume. Response time is just like the on-time shipment example we created before. The difference is you can create an SLA for any document type you may need to send. So let's say you received an 850 purchase order from a retail trading partner. In response, you need to send an 824 application advice because you have a very specific process. You can set that measurement up. Now for expected volume, for example, let's say you expect at least 5 purchase orders from your trading partner per day, which in this example is going to be Amazon. We can set this up here. If you don't hit that 5-order threshold, you can mark it at risk. Maybe it was an anomaly that you didn't hit the 5-order per day threshold, or maybe there is a bigger issue at hand. This allows you to reach out to the trading partner and say, "Hey, why didn't we get the 5 orders today? Did something happen that we need to know about or look into?" One output of all this SLA tracking? Actionable scorecards. To view your trading partner scorecards, go to the Activity tab and select Partners. This screen tracks the performance of the SLA metrics you've configured, showing how your partners are meeting or missing their business commitments. At a glance, you'll see each partner's SLA performance, including missed, met, and at-risk SLAs, along with the financial impact, all within a single dashboard. Click into any partner to explore a visual breakdown of met and missed SLAs by day. You can filter results by time period, financial risk, or delta, which shows exactly how late a commitment was. For deeper analysis, drill into individual transactions to uncover the root cause of missed commitments and pinpoint what's driving chargebacks or delays. By combining operational data with financial impact, this new feature helps you identify trends, take corrective action faster, and strengthen your trading partner relationships. If you're ready to turn integration performance into business performance, Retailer Relationship Manager is the key. Want to learn more? Reach out at sales@clio.com, and we'd be happy to show you what Retailer Relationship Manager can do for your organization.